Welcome back to PSC's Tech Bytes. Today I want to explain you how you can leverage Microsoft Copilot for Microsoft 365 while creating Microsoft PowerPoint presentations. In fact, you can use Copilot to create new presentations from scratch, just providing a topic that you want to cover, or you can add specific and additional slides to an already existing presentation, again just providing a topic that you want to cover. Or you can even create a fresh new presentation starting from a Word document that you authored for a customer. It is also really useful whenever you want to learn how to do stuff inside PowerPoint. In fact, when you ask to do something, Copilot will reply back to you with specific instructions and eventually with action links which will help you to achieve your goal. Generally speaking, Copilot in Microsoft PowerPoint allows us to create really powerful presentations in a matter of few seconds. So let's move to the demo environment and let's see how to do that in practice. So here we are in PowerPoint, and let's say that I want to create a new presentation starting from scratch. I can activate Copilot and I can give instructions to Copilot about what I want to do, like for example create a presentation about something. In my scenario, just for the sake of making an example, I want to create a presentation about how a bug becomes a butterfly. So let's see what's going on now. Copilot is retrieving and gathering information from the web about the topic that I want to cover, so about how a bug becomes a butterfly. Then it is putting all of the information together and is creating a set of slides to give me the presentation I'm looking for. And in a matter of few seconds, I have a 6-slide presentation about how a bug will become a butterfly. Really interesting and powerful, and you can do that with whatever topic you want to cover. Now, let's say that we want, just for the sake of making another example, add an additional slide about the life cycle of a lion, for example, because we are talking about animals. And again, Copilot can retrieve additional information from the web, can put all of the information together and provide an additional slide with specific graphics and design which will cover the life cycle of a lion. And this is really, really powerful. Now, let's say that I want to change the colors because I don't want to use the pink one. So I can give instruction about making this slide yellow and blue. If I will do that, this is something that can be easily done using the out-of-the-box functionalities of PowerPoint. And that's why Copilot, rather than doing it for me, will give me instruction about how to do that. And I can click on the Show Me, and it will show me how to do that, how to achieve my goal. So it can instruct me about how to use PowerPoint itself. Now, let's say that we want to do something like a business-oriented task. So let's say that I want to create a new presentation, and I want to create a presentation based on a document that I have authored for one of my customers. Here I have a document about the bot-powered adaptive card extensions, just to make an example. So let me copy a link to this file, because it will become really useful in a matter of few seconds. And let me go back to PowerPoint in order to create a presentation about the topics covered in that document. So I can say, create a presentation from file as the prompt. I can provide directly a link to a document which is a recent document, as you can see in the suggestions, or I can provide just the URL of the document if it is not in the suggestions. And by doing that, Copilot will process with natural language processing the content of my document, will extract the main topics, the key topics of the document, will pull all of them together and create a set of slides which I can use to present the document to my customer. And this is again really, really powerful and time saving. As you can see now, we see that it is going to generate a set of slides about all of the topics which are covered in the document that I provided. And once it will be done, I will have the generation of all of the slides, as you can see right here. And when the slides will be ready, I will have a presentation based on the Word document. It takes a while, but imagine how much time you might use to do that manually rather than using a tool like Copilot. Now, in something like 1 minute or maybe less, we are getting a whole presentation about the topic that I covered in my Word document without writing any real statement or instruction for PowerPoint other than asking for creating a presentation based on that document. And if we look at the presentation, we have got a 20 slides presentation ready to go. So again, really powerful and time saving. Like always, thank you for watching this video. I hope you found it useful and I'm really looking forward to seeing you next week. Thank you.